Hey guys, today we're going to be doing like a showing all the fire alarms that are at the Children's Museum in Indianapolis, Indiana. Okay, first we have that is a simplex Truler over there. Yeah. Okay, are there any T-bars over here? Okay, there's a T-bar over there. And that is a simplex 4903. Is that an electronic horn or is that a mechanical horn? And I bet this system probably has a simplex 4100U or a 4020 system. No wait, I think it has a 4100U. And I bet probably if this system was coming off, the Trulers being code 3, and then the 4903 mechanical horns would be on march time. Like 120 beats per minute march time. Are any fire alarms down there? No, it doesn't look like it. Anyways, we are exiting this ancient Egypt. Beyond this point, we are exiting it. We have the Simplex 2099 single action T-bar pull station, addressable pull station. And next we have a Simplex True Alarm smoke detector up there. This is just an elevator. I bet there's probably 8 fire alarms in there. That is just a fire extinguisher, and these are just elevators. I had to see that. Oh wait, never mind. There's fire alarms. Okay, another addressable T-bar pull station, and that is a Simplex 4903. Is that a mechanical horn? Comment down below if you guys think that is a mechanical horn or an electronic horn. Look at the train. Train cars. Okay, what other fire alarms do we have here? That's just a cargo elevator. We have other addressable T-bar and conventional 4903. Look at these. They look like pretty neat. There's a Truler over there. Better hurry up. Trains over here. Trains are over here. Wait, never mind. Psych. We're actually gonna look at this. Look at all the other addressable T-bar and 4903 horn strobe. Is that a horn strobe or is that a speaker strobe? I can't tell. These airplanes.
Or touch the other buttons to make changes.
Look at all these airplanes.
Your plane needs to land at the finish line to succeed. Let's go. It looks like there was a problem. Let's see what's happening.
Look at all this train stuff. Wait, we gotta go through this section. Going this way. Look at all this stuff, guys.
M&M's are loaded. It's almost like playing.
Why would they have an iPad with them?
But you're playing it in 3 dimensions, which makes let these M&Ms go. Trying to keep them corralled up and collected up. It's always a trick. And you always blame this on the U.S. for not, of course, you know, the M&Ms, you don't really do too much.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna go through this. Okay, I'm going this way. Guitar. Anyways, we got an addressable single action T-bar and another mechanical horn strobe. No, that's not a mechanical horn, I don't think. Yeah, this is an addressable T-bar. Yeah, because it has the LED. And wait, I don't think this is on a 4100U. I think it's on a 4100 ES, right? It's got the brake rod. No, wait, never mind. It's definitely got the brake rod in it. Smoke detector in here. True alert over here. Got another addressable T-bar. Has not got the LED.
The last moon landing was in 1970.
Okay. So now we're exiting the space thing. We got another True Alert orange strobe over here. It's a close-up look. Wait, here's a close-up look. Wait a second. Here's a close-up look. Also, yesterday when I made those videos, like when I was in JC Penney, I saw some vintage Simplex fire alarms. I saw a 405080 remote light, Simplex 4251-20 T-bars, and I think I saw an ADT BG12, rebranded BG12. Next, that looks like an i3. There's a True Alarm smoke detector. Okay, guys, we are in the Egyptian thing. With all these hieroglyphics. Sorry, crappy camera thing. A lot of people here today. This is another True Alert orange strobe right here. That looks like an i3. Junction box. We got a 4903 over there and another addressable T-bar. Okay. We got another Truler up there that we saw from upstairs earlier, remember? Yeah, these are the. Yeah, this is an addressable T-bar. And this is a 4903. There's a. Wait a sec. There's a Simplex 4903 up there. Like, why would you mount a wall mount on a freaking ceiling mount, bro? Like, whoa, bro, why would you mount a ceiling mount 4903? I mean, oh my gosh, I cannot say this right. Never mind. Fire alarm on the wall mount fire alarm on a ceiling mount. On a ceiling. Why would you do that?
Traces of paint left on a few statues. Some statues have even more paint when they're first uncovered, but when exposed to air, most of the paint holes and flakes off. Chinese archaeologists collect German scientists to analyze.
For you. Well, how are you? Usually we like to feel. We got this sword, which is pretty cool. We usually like to feel how heavy it is.
That's pretty cool. So would this be what?
She ain't China. This is around the guy. Who is this guy?
This guy is a statue.
That's correct.
Like these guys right here. Break off.
So, I don't see any other fire alarms beyond this point. Well, good thing there's no Spectral Alert Advanced horn strobes in here. I don't like Spectral Alerts, they're too common. I think I said that yesterday, did I? True Alarm. True Alarm smoke detector. Simplex Madness. But also, oh wait, we saw that True Alert earlier. Also, at one point when I was in the mall yesterday, like talking about the fire alarm system, in one of the stores I found a ceiling mount Edwards or EST Integrity horn strobe. I couldn't tell if that was a horn strobe, a speaker strobe, or a chime strobe. And I saw like an EST or Edwards single action 278B, I think so, like pulse station. This is the trains section. Huh? Yeah. Okay, guys, we're going all the way to the top of the Children's Museum. T-bar over there. 4903 down there. You couldn't really see it. 14 out of 3 and T-Bar over there. T-Bar over there. Okay, we got another 14 out of 3 and addressable T-Bar over here. What is it? 14 out of 3. That is on a back box. No, it's not a back box.
Come on, boys.
Out of 3 wall mounts on there again. Wall mounts on a ceiling just frustrates me. Wall mount fire alarms on a ceiling just frustrates me because why can't you just mount it on a wall? And also in the parking garage, I saw ceiling mount simplex speaker strobes, True Alert speaker strobes. The fish. Hey, little bro, how's it going? Hey, little bro.
He's not there,
The Amethyst Geode. 14 out of 3 up there. What T-bar have we got over here? That's an addressable T-bar. You just seen the LED blink. Or did you? Wait, I think that's a 4099-9005, right? Addressable T-bar, right? Yeah, that's a 4099-9005, right? These things. It's a cave. Citrine geode. Wait a second. Pause. Amethyst geode.
Well, look at that.
Cool rocks.
Yeah. Oh, look. Dolomite. Look, it's dolomite. It can be found in Indiana, our state. I live in Indiana, just in case you didn't know. I live in Indiana. I don't think I had to share that information. I don't think I had to. Metamorphic sedimentarian Angius. Imagine making a fire alarm out of copper. Doing, 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 doing. Wing, 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 wing. Sword. Bro, from this point of view, those 14 out of 3s from that look like a True Alert speaker strobe. Okay, I'm going this way. Hiding the camera. There's a lot of people here today. Yeah, there's a lot of people here today. So that's why I'm hiding the camera.
It's fun seeing them figure out what they want to do. Hey.
Yeah, work here.
Hey.
The water thing.
It's just a but like
Okay. Yeah, we're going this way. Okay, the recording's continued. Is it up here where it used to be? Fire alarm, horn strobe down there. Okay, now we're in the vehicle section.
You want to ride the merry-go-round?
Not good.
Let's go here and look at the mirrors.
Okay, everybody, we're going into the mirrors. It's an illusion.
Oh, well, like, okay. You're trying to go out? Not this way.
Okay, this is a make. Whoa. Sorry about that.
Confused me for a minute. I couldn't find
Dazed and confused. Okay, everybody, I'm dazed and confused.
There you are.
Oh,
Way back.
okay, I'm going this way.
Follow me.
it. Go this way.
Yeah. Okay, it's dark in here, not gonna lie. And it looks like we just exited the maze. And it looks like. Oh, and in case you didn't know, viewers, I like cars also because I'm interested in old ones. Yeah, like I know like car brands and there's a motorhome train right there. Helicopter.
Check out that car. That's cool. The front end door would open like this so you can get in.
Wait, what's it?
Anyways, there's a Nissan. There's an adjustable T-bar. Look at this. These trains.
Let's get out of here.
Okay, we're skedoodle.
Too many little ones.
What?
Little ones.
Another 4903 mechanical horns or electronic horns, whatever. 4903 mechanical horn up there. Anyways, everybody, we are at the top. We are at the top. This is the top. Don't jump off. I do not see any fire alarms from up here.
Walk in and take the elevator.
Elevator.
Let's go down one floor. Go to
Okay, we are going. Okay, which one? Which one are we riding?
see a light up there. The light will shine when it's ready. Oh, look, they got Paw Patrol Adventure.
Blah. So true are back down there that on a back box. Okay, I'm so tall. Good thing this is railing here. Wait, this one's ready.
Twilight Zone.
Yeah, excuse me, guys.
So what you want to do when you get to an elevator like that, you're going to get on it. Just let me know.
Okay, everybody, we are on an elevator. We are going down one.
And we're here.
Okay, that was kind of weird. That voice was kind of
You
weird.
and Cooper in the car.
Oh yeah, race car, Indy car, Indy car. $14 out of 3 an addressable T-bar. That's a addressable simplex tour. Yeah, this is an addressable simplex tour. That looks like an i3. Wait, is that an i3? It looks like a system sensor i3. Okay, I'm going this way. Sorry guys for the interruption. Okay guys, we are over here. $49.03 up there. Okay, what's in here? This was just this was what the classroom looked like when my dad was in school, and when my mom was in school. Just separate desks. He did separate desks. He didn't even have a thing to put it in. It was all in your backpack. You just had to sit there. Vandalized lockers.
Remember your guardian angel.
Look at this
You
bedroom.
always have your nightlight. You always have your angel watching over you.
On Palm Sunday, 1990, Ryan Lincoln. Like the day's last ray of sunlight, his breathing faded and his heart stopped. Stacked upon his eyes.
You usually think of peer pressure being bad.
So this is what the classroom looked like when what classrooms look like looks like middle school to high school. Really old classroom. Sorry guys, I was late for class. Sorry guys, I was late for class. Addressable T-bar. Addressable Cineplex T-bar. Yeah. What? 4903 up there. Oh,